Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jojo, and just a heads up, this is it's just gonna be me giving a voiceover over the video because I tried to get some better quality audio for you guys. I got a mic for my camera, and unfortunately, it is not working just yet. As you can see in the video, you'll see a lapel mic or lavalier mic pinned to my shirt. I tried to do it, but somehow I got no audio whatsoever, and I'm not planning on just doing the video over again. So please enjoy the video. Don't mind what's going on. Just listen to what I'm saying and follow along, and it should be fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Rolex, a Ugandan Rolex. Not the watch, but the food. I'm not talking about this Rolex, I'm talking about that Rolex. Um, so Rolex is like what do you call it? It's a street food, it's a snack, it's very popular in Uganda, and we have it pretty much any time of day, but you're going to find it in the evenings, um, on the street without a doubt, every day, pretty much everywhere that you go in Uganda. And it's delicious. It's basically eggs rolled into a chapati. And there's no need to get, you know, to get scared when someone tells you to buy them a Rolex, because they are not talking about a watch, an expensive watch. They're just talking about food, which is $1 or less. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients that you need to make the chapati. And I mean, in this video, I'm not going to show you how to make a chapati because there's so many other videos on YouTube that you can check out to show you exactly how to make chapatis. Because I can't show you just how to make one chapati. You have to make a bunch. Then you just use one to make this. So you're gonna need eggs, and you're gonna need the chapati, of course, and you're gonna need some chopped onions and salt. I use a little bit of grated or shredded cheese just because I like my eggs with some cheese and some milk in them. This is me just showing you the eggs, the onions, the shredded cheese, and I poured some some of the milk, of course. Um, that's just like a spoonful of cheese, not a lot, just like one spoon. And I have on the side, I have some green bell peppers that I cut up, just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit of green peppers. And then I have a curry powder on the side and some salt, and of course a tomato that I'm going to be using. So you pour the milk, add that to the cheese, and then so up next we're gonna beat the eggs and put some olive oil in the pan, just a little bit to grease the pan so you don't have eggs getting stuck on the bottom of the pan. Move that around, make sure it's all nice and greased up, but not a lot. You don't need too much oil. In goes the onions now. Give those a little stir. I like to put, you can have the onions go in, beat together with the eggs, but I like to get my vegetables cooked up first a little bit before I introduce the eggs. Then you're gonna move that around, just so it cooks a little bit evenly. Reduce the heat. That's what I was doing over there. Beat the eggs a little more, and then just pour the eggs in. You don't want to cook your eggs on a lot of heat, so I always try to regulate within medium or just medium low, so that they cook slowly but evenly, and I'm not burning the eggs in the bottom. So I'm just gonna do that. And as they start to form, and I just try to run a spatula under them so they don't stick to the pan, ever so gently, and of course with low heat. Now at this point, some people like to introduce the chapati, just put it on top of the eggs like that, but I don't like runny eggs, and doing it that way will leave a little bit of the eggs runny when you cover them like that. So I try to wait and then flip them over. So I'm going to flip the eggs over. That's a bit of a challenge, as you can see. And yeah, so I flip the eggs over, and it's not an issue if they rip on you, or you don't do a perfect job. Even those guys that make the chapatis on the roadside sometimes fumble with them a little bit, so it's not a big issue. Now you bring the chapati, just put it on top, and give it a little nudge like that, just to make sure you're getting all the eggs cooked and you don't have anything running over. I like my eggs all the way cooked. I don't like them runny. It's just me. It's not, you know. Don't worry about that. So I think as that gets ready, I'm just going to cut up. Um, get the tomato ready, so that after I take the eggs off with the chapati, I can just put the tomato on. Um, I like raw tomatoes. Sorry, nyanya and bisi. That's what I call it. Some people will beat the tomatoes with the eggs, and that's fine. If you don't want the extra sauces flowing out of the eggs once you roll the chapati out. But I don't mind. I like raw tomatoes. I've always liked raw tomatoes even as a child, so not a problem. Not a problem at all. So the chapati and the eggs are pretty much ready to get off of the heat. So I'm just going to take them off. You try to be gentle with them, just like that. You spread your eggs out. Make sure they're covering much of the surface of the chapati, like that. Get all the extras. And again, I apologize for the audio. It would have been nicer to have flowing audio, but it didn't work out. So this is what we get. And now it's time to cut the slices of the tomatoes. About 3 is going to be enough. You can put more if you want. It doesn't really matter. It's a matter of choice. If you have cabbage, you can put raw cabbage here, or if it's cooked, it doesn't matter. People like to put all kinds of things. And you try to put the slices close to you, to the side close to you, because that's where you start rolling. Here I'm going to put a little bit of seasoned salt. You can put any seasoning you want. There's no there are no rules to this, so it's rolling time. And this is where it helps to have all those slices close to you, because when you start rolling, they're not going to fall out. And after rolling your eggs and chapati like that, I'm just gonna cut it in half to make it more manageable, of course. And there you have it, your Rolex. You can see the juices from the tomatoes are already dripping out. But that's what makes it even more delicious. So that's it. That's how you make a Rolex. Not the watch, but the food. I'm going to give it a little bite just to see how good it turned out. And yeah, that's it. That was good. It was good. Just take my word for it. It's pretty good. And there you have it. I mean, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, you can say it in the comment section below. If you want me to do anything else, to whatever videos you want me to make, just put it in the comment section below. Let me know. And I can always take advice from you guys. I try to make these videos for you guys, especially people in the diaspora. um, you don't have anywhere to go to get such food from home, so you can try these ideas at home and just enjoy. All right, see you in the next one. Bye bye.